Hello students, this is Gurjit Luthra, your accountancy teacher. So for the plus one accountancy, continuing our topic of discussion regarding journal GST. This is our second discussion regarding the transactions involving GST in case of journal. We are continuing with some typical transactions, taking a few practical examples to begin with. The first example, sold goods to Ajay, for 50,000 plus CGST and SGST at the rate of 9% each at a trade discount of 10% and cash discount of 2%, half payment received in check. Okay, solution. Now we can see here is that list price is equal to 50,000. Okay, trade discount is 10%, that is 5,000. Okay, so sale price will be 45,000. Now CGST 9%, 9% comes out to be 4050. SGST 4050 is SGST. So total comes out to be 49,53,100. Out of this, half is cash sale, half is credit sale. So half of this comes out to be 26,550. 26,550. This will be for Ajay. And now regarding the cash sale, because we are receiving check for this, so cash discount will be allowed here at the rate of 3%. So cash discount at the rate of 3% comes out to be approximately 531. 3% of 26,550 is 531. So net amount that we receive by check will be, subtracting this from this, it will be 26019. So our journal entry will be bank account debit. First of all, journal entry for the credit part, Ajay debit 26,550, bank account debit this 26019, discount allowed debit, discount allowed is 531, to sales account this 45,000, to output CGST account 4050, to output SGST account 4050. So this is our journal entry regarding trade discount and cash discount. I hope it's clear. Let's take another example. Example number 2. It is sold goods costing 40,000 to Ravi against a check at a profit of 25% on cost less 20% trade discount plus IGST at the rate of 18%, cash discount is at the rate of 2%. Let's see the transaction again. Sold goods costing 40,000 to Ravi against check at a profit of 25% on cost less 20% trade discount plus IGST 18%, cash discount is 2%. Let's see the solution. First of all, our cost is 40,000. Is it clear? Cost is 40,000. Then at a profit of 25% on cost, so that means we have to add profit margin 25%, which is 10,000. Total is 50,000 less trade discount. How much is the trade discount? 20% is the trade discount. That is given in the question. 20% trade discount. 20% of 50,000 is again 10,000. So our sales price is 40,000. As the whole amount has been received, now IGST is also to be applied plus IGST 18%. That comes out to be 18 fours are 72, 7200. So our total amount receivable is 47,200. Now whole amount has been received by check, so that means CD is applied to the whole amount. So CD is at the rate of 2%. That comes out to be 472 plus 472, 8, 9, 944. 944. So the check will be received for the difference between these two, 6, 5, 2, 6, 4, 46256. Are we clear about this calculation? Let's see once again. The cost was 40,000, sold at a profit of 25%, that is 10,000. Then that comes out to be 50,000. Then the trade discount is 20%, which is 10,000. So that means sale price 40,000. IGST applied is 18%, 7,200. So total amount payable is 47,200. Cash discount is at the rate of 3%, 944. So the total amount, the net amount received will be 46,256. Now the journal entry. Journal entry will be bank account debit 46256. Then discount allowed account debit 944 to sales account. This is the sales amount 40,000 to output IGST account 7,200. Make sure that both the amounts in debit, the total of both the amounts in debit must be equal to total of both the amounts in credit. So these are our typical transactions involving discount. Let's move our discussion to some more important transactions. Let's take another example. Example 3. It is withdrawn goods for personal use. Cost of these goods is 5,000. IGST 18%, and sale price is 7,000. Sale price is 7,000. Now we have to make one thing sure, that whenever we have withdrawn the goods for personal use, these are out of the purchases only, and we would have applied the rate of GST on the purchases. Now it has to be reversed. And regarding the sale price, we don't have to do anything about the sale price. We have only to be considering the cost price. So let's see the journal entry for this. Journal entry for this will be drawings account debit. We don't have to write the amount as yet. To purchase account. So that means the cost price of the goods 5,000. To input IGST, which was 18%. 18% comes out to be 900. So total here is 5,900. Is it clear? Next, example 4. Goods costing 500 given as charity. These were purchased paying CGST and SGST at the rate of 9% each. At the rate of 9% each. Solution: charity account debit, we don't have to write the amount as yet. To purchases account 500. To input CGST account 45, 9%. To input SGST account 45. Total is 590. I hope it's clear. Just see it once again. Okay, let's do another question. Let's do another example. Now the example is purchased goods for 10,000 from Rohit. 10,000 from Rohit. IGST at the rate of 18%. Journal entry for this will be purchases account debit 10,000. Input IGST account debit 18% is 1,800. To Rohit 11,800. Is it clear? To Rohit 11,800. Now continuing the above example, returned 1/5 of above goods to Rohit being not of good quality. Being not of good quality. So the journal entry for this will be Rohit debit to purchase return. Purchase return कितने की होगी? 1/5 of 10,000, which comes out to be 2,000. And now we have to apply reverse the input IGST also. 18% it was, 18% comes out to be 360. So total 2,360 will be debited to Rohit. Let's take another example. Example number 6. Sold goods of rupees 20,000 to Madan CGST and SGST. This is A part. CGST and SGST at the rate of 9% each. So the journal entry for this will be Madan debit to sales account 20,000 to output CGST account 9%. 9% comes out to be 1,800 to output SGST account 1,800. Total 23,600. Okay. B transaction. Returned 1/4 of above goods by Madan being not up to the samples. That means 1/4 of the above goods have been returned by Madan because they were not up to the samples. They were not up to the samples. They have been returned by Madan. So the journal entry for this will be, here also the output CGST and SGST will be reversed. The entry will be sales return account debit. 1/4 of 20,000 is 5,000. Then output CGST account debit. Output CGST कितना आया? 9%, that is 450. Output SGST account debit 450 to Madan, total is 5,900. So always remember that in case of purchase return as well as sales return, purchase return as well as sales return, the GST is to be reversed. GST is to be reversed. So this concludes our discussion for the day. So we have to remember a few things regarding the calculation of GST in case of trade discount, cash discount, and in case of purchase return and sale return. It will be followed by the last lecture of GST tomorrow. So please be familiar with these concepts. It will be followed by some assignments. Thank you.